Who's this process here?
Mia was sitting in the elbow chair. Hi, Mia. I must protect the child. I'm protecting the child.
Take your food, eh? Okay. I talk way too much. Ever heard of it? I talk a lot. You know? Hello. Oh my gosh, did you see those jeans she was wearing last week?
No.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, goodbye.